Everyone can build Lightning apps that leverage the full potential of Lightning nodes. That's why we built Liquimercado, to showcase what the next era of Lightning apps can look like and how easy it is to start building using WebLN, the Lightning Web Standard. As a developer, no macaroons, no GRPC, plain and simple JavaScript APIs. As a node operator, no installation of apps on your node. Just visit a web app like this and connect with one click. This demo currently works with the Alby extension and a connected LND node. In this case, I connected my Raspberry Blitz with Alby. This web app provides you a basic dashboard for Lightning node management. To get started, click on Connect. Alby asks you to give permission to access specific data on your node, such as list all open channels, the balance of your open channels, and the unspent balance of your Lightning wallet. As a developer, you can quickly visualize node data, but you can also create features such as open a channel. As a user, we enter the node ID and channel volume and click on Open Channel. In the background, the app is connecting to a channel peer and prompts me to confirm if I want to open the channel. After some time, it's done. The transaction to open the new channel was successfully published to the network. We can double-check that if we have a quick look at the mempool. The opening transaction is pending and waiting to be confirmed. WebLN now allows you to access all node-specific functions. Open Channel is just one example. And as a node operator, you can simply connect and manage permissions. All you need is a WebLN-enabled browser extension such as Alby. That's it. Try this showcase yourself. It runs on Replit, so feel free to experiment with the code. It's super easy and fun.